I wanted to show you guys how you can find fonts that match existing designs. This is especially helpful for the ad campaign project where you're trying to design a new ad that looks like it could fit in a campaign with an existing ad. So what you want to do is you want to go to fonts.adobe.com, or you can just Google search Adobe Fonts and it will bring you right there. Then you can sign in with your school credentials or your school login, just like you do on Photoshop or Illustrator, InDesign. Then what you're going to do is right here on the homepage, you'll see it says find the perfect font for your next project and then search by image. You click search by image and then you click your design. It will load up your design and then it will automatically try to find one line of text. And then from there, if you want to change the line, like let's say if you want to maybe sample it from down here, you can definitely move it around and resize it. Once you choose one line of text, then it's going to try and guess what the letters are or analyze what the letters are. So just double check, make sure that those letters are the same. So it does say happens. And then hit view results and you'll see they give you a ton of different fonts that match it pretty closely. The first one almost looks to be an exact match. So then what you can do is you can just click activate font right there and it will upload that font right into your Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, any of your Adobe programs. It will be synced over to that. You also might want to take a note of the font just so you don't get lost when you're looking for it in your chosen Adobe programs. But that's how you can get very similar fonts to your existing ad campaigns. I'm going to show you one more time, this time using an ad that has a decorative font. I will warn you, with decorative fonts it is a little trickier because often decorative fonts are actually custom fonts or they're actually done by hand and they're not just a simple font that would be in Adobe Fonts. But oftentimes they will have fonts that are similar or similar enough to where you can use them and get away with it. I will say sometimes with decorative fonts, you might want to just take the time to Google search for them using adjectives such as like sloppy handwritten font or like rustic handwritten font or things like that that you think might describe the font that you're looking for. But I'll use this one. This is a good font. The last one was a vector-based ad. This obviously is a photo or pixel-based ad or raster-based ad. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose one line of text. Again, I'm trying to find the decorative font or one similar to it. And again, I'm just making sure that this text is the same as that text, including capitals. And then you can see, again, it doesn't have the exact font because this was probably done by hand, but it does have some pretty good options that look similar to the font in the original ad. So that would be a good jumping off point. And of course you can modify it as you go. You can modify in Illustrator and Photoshop, but hopefully that helps you as you're searching for fonts to use and as you are more than likely going to try and match the typography of the original ad. If you have any questions, of course, let me know.